Welcome to the Fuse Bead Kit. In this video, we will go over what's included and how to make a figure. When you receive your kit, check the What's Included list on the top of the bin. Do this prior to the start of the activity. Let's begin. When receiving your kit, you're going to get a plethora of items. You're going to get a bunch of little beads. It is very important that you put them in the tin for the campers. Some of them are way younger and they will spill them, regardless if you have them in there. But that's okay, guys. Look, you have your little beads there, and you can get them with the bead sweeper. Flawless. We love her. Gorgeous. All right. So after your campers choose their template, they have other ones that have not a specific design, but I chose a dog. You're going to grab a toothpick that comes in your kits, and you're going to find a bead and put it on the little marker, and then they go like that. Now, you can choose whatever colors you want. Don't limit the campers to just like a few colors. You can, but they're going to be a little sad if they want a rainbow dog and they can only have blue and green. You know what I mean? So, be mindful of that. As you'll notice, this is a very tedious task and beads can fall off very easily. Be very careful to not knock the table and have counselors check around with campers to see if they need any help. It can be very stressful when you have a creation that you work so hard on be messed up because somebody taps the table. Whenever you're done with all the beads on your little friend, you're going to place a piece of parchment paper on top like that. And you're going to very carefully grab your iron and place it on top. You're going to melt it very gently. This is a step only for counselors. No kids are allowed to touch the iron. I don't know if y'all know this, but they hurt. So let's please not burn our campers. So we're gonna gently press down and move it around to make sure we get all of our beads so they're stuck together. And afterwards, whenever you get them all and they're all melted, you're going to flip it over. But that takes a little second. I'm hoping that's good enough. Okay. So you're gonna let it cool a little bit. That middle one is not done. I lie. All right, so after you get done ironing the top, you're going to very carefully flip over your creation. Or do like that, I guess. And then you're going to take your second piece of parchment paper and lay it on top. Then you're going to iron the back. Please make sure you iron both sides. If you don't, then your little figure is going to fall apart. 1000%, I'm sure. Please do not let campers touch the wax after it's done. Let it cool for a good 5 minutes, I would say. And then they can, usually I wait till when pickup happens to give them to them because they like to play with them and break them. And then they get all sad and they ask you to go make another one and you don't have time because you're playing kickball. So I do suggest that you wait until the end of the day to give your campers back their animals or whatever they choose to make. And that is how you make a fuse bead buddy.